How to unreport someone on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'll show you the way on how you can actually unreport someone on TikTok. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. Now, first of all, just make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the TikTok app to the latest version. And you can do this by heading over to your respective app store in a search box, typing in TikTok, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you have updated the TikTok application, I want you to go over and then open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, obviously you can see this is how it is going to look like. So before we try to unreport someone, if you want to report it, you would have to tap on the share icon from the bottom right corner and go to the option called report from the bottom left. And then here you would have to select a reason as to why you would want to report this video over here. So when you tap on the submit button by basically going ahead and reporting someone just like that, if you want to undo your report, you can tap on the option called view your reports over here. As you tap on the view your reports option, you'll be able to see a list of videos and reports that you've made on TikTok. So if you want to go ahead and then unreport someone, then just tap on that particular report over here and you'll be taken to this particular page where you'll be able to find all of the reports just like that. However, you should keep in mind that once you send a report to TikTok, there is no way that you can actually undo it or recover that report, which means that if TikTok actually verifies that that account is not legit, it is violating the TikTok community guidelines, TikTok is not going to get that account banned. You have to understand that only one single report of yours is not going to change anything until and unless that community or that particular account of video does not violate the community guidelines. TikTok is not going to ban that account. So you don't have to worry about also the creator finding that whether you have reported the video or not, because TikTok does not notify the users that someone has reported the video, and they do not also leak the name of the person. So it is all private and you need not worry about that. But just keep in mind that if you just mistakenly try to report someone but you regret it, don't worry, because one report is simply not going to change anything, as said by TikTok themselves, that if they receive only up to at least 8 or 10 reports, then only they're going to take those reports into account and take the necessary actions required in order to conduct some report and then take action necessarily. But hopefully this video answered the question. As I said earlier, you will not be able to undo it. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.